Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you like to rock out while you're swimming in your pool or gardening? Check this out. Do you ever get something that you didn't know you needed and then you can't live without it? That is this rock speaker. I love this rock speaker. It brings me so much joy, and it lights up. It lights up in 7 different colors, which was a surprise to me. I didn't know it did that, and I put it outside, and then the sun went down and it started to light up, and I thought, that's a nice feature, and it really is. It brings a little beauty to my backyard or my porch or wherever you want to put it, because you can take this thing anywhere. It is solar powered, so you can put it anywhere in your yard that gets sunlight, and it's going to rock out for you. Listen to the sound of this thing. Another thing I love about it is how easy it Bluetooths to your phone. It was really just the push of a button. And after it's charged, it lasts for hours. I haven't had it die on me yet, so honestly, I don't know how long you can rock out, but we've done it for hours. Look at me go there. I also love that you can leave it in the rain. Nothing's going to happen to it if you just leave it in the yard. So this rock speaker has been so wonderful to have around the house. It's actually caused a little family argument sometimes, whatever. It's so awesome. We love it, and that's my point of view.